very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Frisia, and it's an honor and privilege to be your host this evening. Clean India Awards 2013 is the brainchild of Clean India Journal, a premier monthly magazine on cleanliness by Virtual Info Systems Private Limited. It's a humble effort to recognize the progress of the cleaning industry in terms of economic, industrial, technological, and capacity building. We aim at promoting innovation and effectiveness in cleaning practices to keep the country clean. I would like to take this opportunity to express to Virtual Info Systems gratitude towards some key partners without whom this evening, this journey, would not have been possible. Our supporting partners for this evening, PCI, Canon Hygiene, and Forbes Facilities. Our award category partners, BPW, Kasha, Roots Multi-Clean Limited, Affidamp, and Borgie Brushes. Please, can we give them all a round of applause? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd now like to request the torchbearer for this great initiative, Mr. Jayaram Nair, Chairman, Virtual Info System Private Limited, to please join us on stage and come and share with us his vision.
Dear distinguished dignitaries and industry colleagues, a warm good evening. It's a great honor to welcome you tonight on behalf of Virtual Info System Private Limited and Affidamp Servizi Italy. VIS was born 15 years ago with a vision to serve and excel by bringing together technology and people to help the progress of our great country. Clean India Journal and Clean India Shows was conceptualized to make a difference in the cleanliness and hygiene standards of India. It is almost a decade since we and the cleaning industry walked hand in hand like lovers, supporting each other and creating awareness and bringing about change. Tonight, together we celebrate the award night, recognizing the organizations and the people who made this success possible. Thank you very much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you a very, very special segment. We call it the Clean India Champions. And to salute these champions on our behalf, may I please request Mr. Jayaram Nair once again to join us on stage, and Mrs. Mangala Chandran, Chief Editor of Clean India Journal magazine. And now, may I please request Mr. K. Ramaswamy, Chairman from Roots Multi-Clean Limited, to please join us on stage. I'd now like to request Mr. A.V. Suresh, President, International Operations, CEO, Eureka Forbes, to please join us on stage. May I now request Mr. Anil Sethi, Managing Director, Man Machine Works Private Limited, to please join us on stage. I'd now like to request Mr. Jasim Hydros, Director, Jade Consumer Products Private Limited and Best Practices Washrooms Private Limited. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for joining me. Ma'am, if you could continue joining me on stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's time for the presentation of the inaugural Clean India Awards. But before we begin, it's only fair that we understand the purpose, the intent of these awards from the creators themselves. So may I please request Mrs. Mangala Chandran to elaborate on the idea behind Clean India Awards. Ma'am, over to you.
Distinguished guests, my friends from the cleaning industry, I'm really proud to be sharing with you some of my thoughts, the perspective of the Clean India Awards, which will be unveiling today, this evening. We at Clean India Journal feel that the time has come to recognize the best of efforts by the cleaning industry, as well as acknowledge the best cleaning initiatives. The deliberations, when we started the deliberations about the cleaning awards, we were talking about the technical awards. Later we realized, as all of you know, that these awards or the technology cannot stand by itself. What we require, or the behind these awards, are the men and the women who actually clean, provide personal services, and make the technology a success. So we are also honoring the efforts of the housekeeping personnel by including categories like bus room attendant and bus janitor. The picture gets completed by identifying and awarding the cleaning initiative in places like public hospitals, community toilets, and also the initiatives by both individual and institutions. Our special thanks to eminent jury members who took this assignment very seriously and deliberated and spent their valuable time in shortlisting and also getting the awards. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request Mr. Jairam Nair and Mr. Philip Sidnam, British Deputy High Commissioner of Mumbai, to join us on stage because we'd like to begin with our first set of awards for this evening. This evening, we begin with the first vertical, which is Civic Awards, which is a category that has been the inspirational foundation for this initiative. The first category of Civic Awards is for the most well-maintained civic hospital in Mumbai. And the winner in this category is SVD Savarkar Hospital from Mulund. I'd like to request Dr. Sunita to join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of the hospital. We are happy to announce the award for the Best Cleaning Initiative by an institution. And the award goes to Arya Kanya Gurukul from Porbandar. I would like to request Mr. Suresh Kothari, Honorary Secretary from the Arya Kanya Vidyalaya Trust, to join us on stage to accept the award. I would like to invite Mr. Vinay Ruparel, Managing Director of BPW, to join us to give away the next award. We will be giving the award for the Best Maintained Community Toilet Block. And the winner for Best Maintained Community Toilet Block is Tritana Prerana Mandal from Santa Cruz. Congratulations. I'd like to call upon Mr. Dayanand Jadhav to accept the award on their behalf. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time once again to roll out the red carpet for our next category of awards is for housekeeping services. This is an award which establishes the fact that nothing can ever replace the human element in any kind of well-being and excellence of any kind of service. Let us begin with the award for Best Janitor. Keeping in mind the celebration of human angle, we have decided to declare one winner, and that's not it. VIS and Clean India Journal has also decided to reward the winners of this category with a cash prize of 10,001. And to honor this category, may I please invite Mr. K. Ramaswamy, Chairman, and Mr. Varun Karthikeyan, Managing Director of Roots Multi Clean Limited, on stage. And the winner in this category is Mr. R. Manikandan from Faber Sinduri Management Services Private Limited. In spite of suffering from an unexpected personal loss this morning, Mr. Manikandan could unfortunately not join us, but we have someone from his family to represent him. Gentlemen, thank you. Thank you for joining me on stage. Now moving on to the next award for this evening. In furtherance to celebrating the spirit of human element, I'd like to invite onto the stage Mr. Rudiger Schroeder, Managing Director, Kasha Cleaning Systems Private Limited, to give away the award for Best Room Attendant. And the award for Best Room Attendant winner goes to Mr. Deepak Kumar from ITC. We also have a second winner in this category from the Leela, Mumbai, Mr. Datta Ram Jadhav. Both our winners for this evening have received a cash award of rupees 10,001 each. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Moving on. With every passing second, the belief in success of this initiative is getting stronger and stronger. And this brings me back to the humble effort and the thought of honoring our Clean India champions. So please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Jay Prakash Nair, Managing Director, VIS, and Ms. Mohana Lakshmi, Managing Editor, Clean India Journal, to felicitate our champions. As we felicitate our group champions, may I please request Mr. S. Krishnan Mohan, General Manager, Nago Industries Private Limited, earlier with Roots Multi Clean, to join us on stage. May I now request Mr. Abhay Desai, Director, Regional Sector Sales, BSc EMEA and Turkey at Diversey, a division, Odd Sealed Air. I'd now like to request Mr. Puneet Mishra, Head Pro Clean Technology Solutions from Eureka Forbes Limited, to join us on stage. I'd now like to request Mr. Vivek Mata, Managing Director, Charnock Equipments Private Limited, to join us on stage.
What a transformation. Cleaning industry in India, the dirtiest and the murkiest country in India, and hats off to JP and Jairam who have led from the front and making a difference today. We must give them a standing ovation. Guys, please stand up and give them a standing ovation. Thank you, guys.
I'd now like to request Mr. Om Sabu from Soma Specialities Private Limited to join us on stage. May I now request Dr. JPS Bakshi, Managing Director, Global Excellence Group, to join us on stage. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. We now move on to our next award segment for this evening. It's for technical awards. Technical awards are awards that are being presented to innovation and expertise displayed in design, composition, effectiveness, and utility, thereby presenting ultimate technical aid to cleaning requirements. The first award in this category is for Best New Product Launch. And to present the award in this category, may I please request Mr. Shakti Chauhan, Country Head, Felicity Management, Reliance Retail, to join us on stage. And now I'd like to announce the winner in this category. It's Best Room Trolley Model SPL 17 Power Drive by Charnock Equipments Private Limited. And our second winner in this category is the Schruber Dryer BR 3512C by Crusher Cleaning Systems Private Limited. Public places are areas of grave concern when it comes to maintaining high levels of hygiene. However, our next award, which is for Best Hygiene Solutions, is to appreciate commendable performance in this challenging business vertical. To give away the award, I would like to request Mrs. Mangala Chandran to please join us on stage. And our winner in this category is Activap Canon Hygiene India Private Limited. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next award in this category. And it is for that magic ingredient which enables us to achieve that sparkling clean space. I'm talking about the award for Best Cleaning Chemicals. To present this award, may I request to join us on stage